class! Welcome back to Classy Files. I'm Victoria and today I'm going to show you how to do a beautiful pull-through braid, so keep on watching! Alright, so the first thing is to make sure your hair is untangled, so make sure you brush it before you do this braid. And the next step is to grab a portion of hair from the front and you will get this portion of hair. So you will secure that portion of hair with an elastic band. After that, you want to grab another section of hair from the front of your face all the way to the back. And bring to the front the upper ponytail, just so that it doesn't get on your way. And using your hands or using a brush, smooth out the lower ponytail and then secure it with an elastic band. And so this will leave you with two ponytails, the upper ponytail and the lower ponytail. Okay, so here comes the fun and it's super simple. Grab the upper ponytail and divide it into two, so you're gonna have two strands. Put each strand to each side, one to the right, one to the left. And then the lower ponytail you're gonna bring to the top in between these strands and you will clip it away to the front. So as you can see, we are left with these two strands. And then we're gonna grab some hair again from the front all the way to the back and make another ponytail. And in this ponytail, you're going to include the two strands that you had loose from the first ponytail. And then you're gonna secure all of this hair in an elastic band and this will be another ponytail. And as you can see, you have two ponytails again. So we're gonna do exactly the same. The upper ponytail, you're always going to divide it into two. The lower ponytail, you're going to bring to the top in between the two strands that you have from the upper ponytail and you're going to clip it away. So as you can see, you're left with these two strands, one to each side. And we're gonna do exactly the same. Grab some hair from the front to the back and include those two strands. So yeah, once you learn those simple steps, it's gonna be so easy to do. What I went ahead and did, girls, is down in the description box, I have the instructions written out, just a very basic explanation, just in case that is a better way for you to understand. And we're going to repeat these exact same steps all the way to the bottom. Once you unclip that portion of hair, you want to mix it with the hair that you have on the bottom and just secure it all together with an elastic band. And then what you want to do is to pull on each side of the braid just to make it look more fluffy and more voluminous. And if you like the tail of the braid just the way it is, then leave it like that. It looks really cute too. I wanted to do something a little bit different. So what I did is I'm placing another band on the tail of the braid. And then this tail, I'm going to put it inside. So as you can see, I'm making a little bit of a hole in there so that I can place the tail of the braid inside of there. So just make sure you arrange it well to where it feels comfortable, and then you want to use bobby pins to secure it. Now my advice for you is that you crisscross the bobby pins and that you apply as many bobby pins as you need, just so that the braid is really secure and that your hairstyle lasts all day. And then really quickly, I'm just gonna fix the flyaways using some hair gel on a toothbrush. And I have a video that shows you many ways that you can tame flyaways. So if you are needing that information, then definitely go and check it out. And after taming the flyaways, this was the final result. It's so cute. Alright girls, this is gonna be it for today. I really hope this was really helpful, the way I explained how to do this braid. And before you leave, please stop by and leave a comment down below letting me know which topic would you like to see for the next video. So I hope this was super enjoyable and I will see you next week. Bye!